Do you want to apply for an eVisa with your passport? Perhaps you're just coming into the UK for the first time, or you've lost your BRP, or your BRP has been stolen. Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to share a step-by-step process of how you can apply for an eVisa with your passport. Now, you're all aware that the UK government has stopped issuing BRP cards on the 31st of October 2024. It means that in order to complete this process, you need to use your passport to do so. If you're just coming into the country, you might have received a visa approval email that you would see that they say you should create a UKVI account. They'll tell you a list of things you need to do. That is what I'm going to show you how to do clearly in this video. I'm building a library of UK applications, including visa applications, so that it can make life easier for you. I want it to be as smooth as possible. When you come into the UK, you won't have so much challenges, and that is why you need to subscribe to my channel. Yes, I give you the very best. My name is Cynthia. I share information about settling, working, or studying in the UK. And without wasting time, let's get into this video. The first thing you do is go to your browser, maybe Google, type in gov.uk. When this website opens, type get access to your eVisa, then the top link there, click on it so you can see get access to your online immigration status. An eVisa is an online record of your immigration status. So to have access to it, the first thing you are going to do is to create a UKVISAs and immigration account. That's UKVI account. Then you can now use the UK immigration ID check app to complete the scanning of your document, whatever document you are going to use, but we are going to use passport in this particular situation. And remember that if you are on a visitor visa, which is a visa that is not longer than 6 months, you should not create a UKVI account to access your eVisa. If you have a special type of visa, you can now go for the ETA. Now let's just click on start now to the next page. It says, when were you granted your most recent permission to come to or stay in the UK? I'm going to click I was last granted permission to come or stay in the UK on or after 1st of November 2024. That's the option I'm going to click, and we click on continue to the next page. Do you have a visa or immigration application number? I'm going to say yes to this question, then click on continue to the next page. Now on this next page, it says, do you have a valid passport? I'm going to say yes to this particular question, and then click on continue to the next page. Now it says create a UK visas and immigration account. That's your UKVI account. It says that you can create it on behalf of someone else, maybe if you have a child or something like that. Then it says that you need your date of birth, biometric residence permit or passport or other identity document, access to your email address or phone number. So make sure you prepare all these things here before you click on that create an account. If you've created an account and you want to come back in, there's a place where it says sign in. You can come back here and click on sign in so that you can continue or complete the process. But for now, let's just create an account. On the next page, it asks, who are you creating this account for? I'll say myself here, and then continue. What is your name? Now, given names, you have to put your first name first and then keep a space, then put your middle names, then before you provide your surname. Continue to the next page. It says, what is your country of nationality? Just select the right option there and click on continue. What identity document are you using? We are not using a biometric residence permit. We're choosing a passport now. Continue. Enter your passport details. So you provide your passport number, country of issue, and then does your passport have an expiry date? If it says yes, then click yes, and then provide the expiry date, day, month, and year. Then if it's no, you click or select the option no. Click on continue to the next page. Answer the question, what is your date of birth? You put the day, the month, and the year. Continue to the next page. It says what email address do you want to use when you sign in to the account? So you provide that email address that you want to use. Then it says check your email. They will send you a 6-digit security code which you have to use within 10 minutes or less it will expire. So just make sure you have your email address available. The next page says, what phone number do you want to use when you sign into the account? You provide that phone number, and they will also provide you another security code, which you provide here, and then click on continue to the next page. Now it says, do you want someone else to have access to your account? I will say no. Now you check the answers before you create your account. Make sure everything is correct, your email address and your phone number, most especially your name. Click on create account. Now it says UK visas and immigration accounts created. What do you need to do next? You need to sign in to your UKVI account before you can view your eVisa. We will ask you to confirm your identity and use your UK immigration ID check app. Next is how to sign in to your UKVI account. You will need your identity document number, your date of birth, and you also need access to your phone or email address. Now let's click on sign in for now. The next question is, what identity document did you use when you created your account? We used a passport, so we just click on that and move to the next page. It says, what is your passport number? You provide your passport number correctly here, and then just click on continue to the next page. Next question is, what is your date of birth? Provide the day, month, and year you were born. Does your identity document have a biometric chip? So find out whether your passport has a biometric chip, then you click on yes and click on continue to the next page. How do you want to receive a security code? You can choose SMS or email, then they will send it to your email or SMS. You provide the security code here and then click on continue. Then they will generate a form for you. So here it says that link your eVisa to your account. You have not started, so you can click on start to start it. Now, when you click on start, it takes you to this page with your unique reference number. Is a long number. Then you scroll down, you see this confirm your identity. That's the first thing you need to do. So you need to click on that confirm your identity. And then it will take you to this particular page here. Sometimes it takes a while for the form to pop up. It says confirm your identity. You need to confirm your identity using the UK Immigration ID Check app. And you can use someone else's phone, and you can delete the app after you've used their phone. Now you just have to click on continue to the next page. It says check you have the right smartphone. You need an iPhone 7 or newer model, or an Android phone that can make contactless payments. This is the main problem many people have. Their phone does not have NFC tags. You need to check whether your phone has NFC in the settings. Go to the setting option, search NFC, then make sure you enable it. So do you have access to one of these phones? I will just say yes and continue to the next page. Now it says continue on the app, download the app, and remember, do not choose the gov.id check app. The one you have to choose is the UK Immigration ID Check app. I'll show you what it looks like anyway. Now you see this place where there's connection code. What we are going to do is we are going to go to our phone. This is what the app looks like. Download the app. Don't click on any other thing. Some people make a mistake and click on this particular one. That's gov.uk ID check. Don't do that. Now let's just click on that app. You see this. Click on continue to the next page. How are you connecting the app? Use connection code. Is the easiest because they just give you codes that you put in instead of QR code that you have to scan. So you take the code from your phone. That's the app on your phone. Then you go back to your application on your laptop or tablet. Put it in here and click on connect. That's how you connect your application on your phone to the application on your laptop. Now go back to your phone and it will tell you we need to confirm who you are. So you decide which option you want to use to get your 6-digit code, whether your phone number or your email, you provide it. Just click on continue to the next page when you've done that, and then you click OK for the privacy notice. And then after that, you move to the next page. It says start using the app. It tells you the steps you need to follow to complete this process. The first one is that you need to get your passport ready and you need to dress up for a photograph. Next, you'll be asked to take an image of your document. Now you take a photograph of your passport. The 4 corners is the data page where your photo shows. That's where you take, and also try your best to make sure the edges show when you take that photograph. Next is the most difficult aspect of this entire process, which is to scan your passport. Now many people are finding challenges here because when they try to scan the passport, it says wrong document. If it says wrong document, change your phone. If it still cannot access the chip in the phone and you have tried a couple of times, maybe 3 times, and then you're locked out for 24 hours, then try this option up here, try it, and see if that one works out. I don't want this video to be too long. Now, the next step is to scan your face. That's why I said you should prepare yourself, dress up for this particular option, because you don't want your eVisa, the passport, to look different from you when you're traveling. So just prepare yourself very well for this particular aspect. After you've scanned your face, it's very easy. Then the next option is that you're going to take a photograph of yourself. Remember that when you start this application process, it will always ask you which document you would use. Always choose your international passport and not your biometric residence permit. Now, let me show you what it looks like when you are scanning the chip in your passport. Now, when you do it, you click on continue. Then it tells you that are you ready to scan? So you place your passport on a table and you place your phone on top of it, and once you place it, it will say move the phone to find the chip. So you move it slowly over the passport, and then you say keep the phone still, so you keep it still and obey the whole instructions here. The green bar will keep increasing and it completes. Now say access the chip in the card, and it says access chip completed. Then you'll be waiting for this role to complete, and then it will tell you access chip completed, information checked, okay. So it means that it's complete and it says that it's successful. Then you can now scan your face. Now, after scanning your face, it will say send your information. You check everything is correct here before you click on submit information. Now, after clicking on submit information, it tells you what happens now. It says you can return to your UKVI account to continue with your application. So you go back here, you sign in. After clicking on sign in, this particular page pops up, say identity information submitted. You click on continue. So the form is created here, but the amazing thing is that to confirm your identity is now completed. So you have to complete every single section here. Contact preferences, account security, provide them with the questions and the answers to your account, submit request, declaration, you tick that you are the person submitting this information, and age 18 and over. Continue to the next page, then click on the submit button so that you submit everything. Then you will get this first email that says we are linking your eVisa to your account. If you check it out, maybe in a few seconds or a minute, you will get a second email that says view your eVisa. My own, I got it within a minute. It takes longer than usual for some other people, so don't be discouraged if you don't get it immediately. I know some people who it took 4 weeks, 3 weeks, so don't be discouraged. Now, if you want to get a share code for your right to work or right to rent or to prove your immigration status, then I'm going to put the links to that video in the description box. Just go to the description box. I have loads of links that would help you. I wish you the very best. Please like, share, subscribe, and write something in the comment. Don't be shy. It could help someone else out there. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.